Hello, good morning students. This is Kshitij Mehta and today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 3, Windows 7 IT Kits. This is the book what we are referring, and we'll go quickly revise this chapter. Let's get started. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Windows was developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company, founded by Bill Gates. And this personality over here is called as Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft and one of the richest men in the world. Every computer system which you see throughout the world, almost each and every computer are running on Windows platform. But nowadays, as the technology has been developed, there are many other operating systems which are also available in the market. Like Linux is there, Unix is there, Macintosh operating systems are available. Now, let's go ahead. The first edition of Windows featuring a new user interface. User interface means you can easily communicate with the machine, and machine is responding to your commands as per your needs. Like if you want to give a printout, you can use Ctrl plus P, like this, Ctrl plus P. So the print command is open. If you want the print, just click on print button and you get the printout, right? So this is what called as interface. Was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Increased usage of technology and continuous research led to the development of advanced editions of Windows named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The most recent release preview of Windows 8 is available for download in 14 different languages. So what are the names? These are the names which has been used to name the Windows operating system. As in when they are invented, the year has been written at the back, and as per the requirement, the name have been changed as per the development or the changes made in various operating system and the upgradation which has taken place into the operating system. The names are given to this operating system. So Windows 95 was first, then came the Windows 98 with new features, new additional buttons which will help us to use it very easily. Then came Windows 2000, much more upgraded version. Then came ME, then came NT, then came 2003, then came Windows XP, then came Vista. So over a period of time, the new operating system came, made our life easier for operating this system, working into it with a faster version of loading the applications, doing the activities and getting the desired result. So that's all about Windows, founded by Bill Gates. Now, let us understand the features of Windows 7. What has made it so much so popular? It was most faster, more reliable and more secure. It was easy to use and learn. It had better memory management, more personal. That means you can redecorate the desktop, with new themes, slides, or handy gadgets. Jump list in Windows takes us right to the documents. That means we frequently use the documents, we can easily access it. Pictures or songs or the website we use frequently, we can see it immediately with the help of the jump list. Windows taskbar. Better thumbnail preview, easier to see icons and pin them as desired by the user. So if you see here, this is known as pinning. Here, this part is called as pin them. Unpill toolbar, pin the toolbar. So you can pin them. Pin them is quickly accessing these tools as and when required. Windows provide the arrow peak feature that makes your open windows transparent so you may see your desktop. It also allows you to pick an item on your taskbar for thumbnail preview. Maintains personalized work environment through multiple user support. That means I can access my computer as well as if I want someone else to access computer, but I do not want him to enter my domain. So I can create two different logins in the same computer. One, you can open it for the guest. The second, you can keep it as a secret for your own self by assigning a password to it. So these are some of the very popular features which made Windows 7 the more professional looking operating system with a user-friendly environment. User-friendly means by looking to the icons, example. So you see the icons, you understand what it is meant for. The tools are having or are being placed in such a way that you can easily navigate through like this. See, these are the tools. You can easily navigate through the tools and can walk into it. So this is the taskbar. You can see the taskbar. Okay, you just need to go and explore the taskbar and open it quickly. Okay, so these are some of the features which has helped Windows 7 more and more user friendly. Let us recall MS-DOS, that is Microsoft Disk Operating System, was the most popular operating system chosen for IBM. IBM stands for I for International, B for Business, M for Machine, and PC stands for Personal Computer. IBM PC, IBM's version of DOS, was called IBM DOS or PC DOS. So disk operating system was primitively used in your computer system and it was used worldwide. Lets you enjoy music, videos, that is CD, compact disc, DVDs, MP3 and high definition games on your home PC. Supports global connectivity, receive and send email, view files and run program on a computer from anywhere in the world. So this computer system has made our world a very smaller and much more nearer to each other by supporting various files, video calling, video conferencing nowadays. So much so the softwares are developed in such a way that now we can take online sessions with each other. You can see me, I can see you, I can talk to you, you can talk to me. We can come up with a solution. That's made our life much more interesting and much nearer to each other. Using desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find a pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. We can find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drives icons, etc. So these are called as icon. This is a computer icon wherein you are storing all your files in drives like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. This is a network icon This network icon connects your computer with various computers if it is there in the network environment. That means you have a wire which is connected to your PC, and the same wire is connected to other PCs also. So that is a network environment wherein they can access your computer, you can access their computer. So that is a network. And this is a recycle bin icon wherein you can store unwanted files, folders, photos, videos, etc. Okay, this is called as desktop. The screen what you see is called as desktop. This is called as taskbar. This is the start button. Here, this is the start button I have, right? This is the taskbar where I'm navigating, right? And this is the desktop. Clear? You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that displays the start button on the left side. The program that you opened appear in the form of buttons on it. It holds the notification area on the right side. So if you say notification area, this is called as notification area. See, two new notifications focus. Here it is. Here, there. Notification. This is a clock with a date and time. Okay. Which includes a clock and some icons. So this is what I was speaking, clock and some icons over here. Okay, this icon is meant for connectivity. If you have internet connectivity connected to this PC, then it will be shown over here. Okay, this is an antivirus icon, McAfee. Okay, so few icons I am sharing with you. These icons represent the program that are loaded in ROM, read-only memory, at the time of startup. So that's all about desktop. Now let us understand what are the features and in detail about various icons. First is computer. This image shows the computer icon. What is the speciality of this computer icon? It gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Double clicking on a drive icon will display the folders contained in that drive. So these are called the drives. Double click on it, so various files and folders you can see over here. Right? Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application, like this one. This is a Word icon. You click 2 times, the Word will open in front of you. Within fraction of seconds, it will load. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or folder, etc. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. So this is a shortcut icon. Okay, this is a shortcut icon. This is a shortcut icon. This, you can see a small arrow. Okay, so without going to the original location, you can open any application from here directly. So that's a shortcut icon. Document icon. The active document windows of an application can be minimized to a document icon, which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. So where is the document icon? Here. This is the document icon. You click on it, you can see all the documents over here. Right? Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a networked environment. Recycle bin. It works like a trash bin or a dustbin used for throwing unwanted papers. These papers can be taken out if needed. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted objects until it is emptied. We can take back the deleted files and restore them to their original locations. Okay. A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. You can save your work as a file on a computer by specifying name to it. A file name consists of 2 main parts, the file name and its extension. So this is the file name, okay, and its extension is .flv. FLV is the version of video which it is supporting, okay. So various files you can see here. This is an Excel file, okay, Microsoft Excel, okay. So these are the various versions of file which you are storing in various locations in your computer. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files. Arranging files into logical groups makes the computer easy to locate any file. So in this PC, these are all folders. In this folder, all the files are there. Okay, folder in folder is also there. Okay, well, the files are saved for future. Press Shift plus Delete key to delete files or folders permanently. If you do not want any file and it is unwanted, without throwing it into the dustbin, you can delete and erase it from the memory of the computer system by Shift plus Delete key. For that, you have to select that particular file or folder and press Shift plus Delete key. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. You can use it to see how your files are organized and can copy, move, rename and search for files and folders. Open Windows Explorer. Click on the Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories and then click on Windows Explorer. Or click on Start button and select Computer option from the right pane. Originally, Windows 7 was named as Blackcomb, which was renamed as Vienna in early 2006. In 2008, it was announced that Windows 7 would be the official name of the operating system. Still, Windows 7 is working so nicely. You will get the Windows Explorer window like this, in which you can see a tree formation on left hand side, and whatever the files which are stored in particular folder, you can see it is reflected on the right hand side. So you can understand the total mapping of this particular Windows Explorer. Navigation pane displays drives and folders, that is the left hand side pane. Drives, C drive, D drive, E drive are called as drives. Folders, the yellow color objects are called as folders. Subfolders means folder in folder is called as subfolder. This is a current folder which you selected, in which this kind of files are saved. Details pane displays the files in the current folder. Here it is, and these are the name of the files. So this is all about Windows Explorer. Oops. This is the left hand side pane, this is the right hand side pane. You click over here and you find out, right? You can click here also. You can see whatever the files which are saved in this particular videos, you can see it is reflected over here. Viewing contents of a file or folder. Double click on any file, any folder to view its contents. To view the content of any icon, double click on it. Copy a file or a folder. To copy a file or a folder from one location to another, follow the steps. So these steps we already done. Double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drive, CD or DVD drives, removable disk and network locations that are connected to your computer. Double click on the D drive icon. It will display the files and folders stored in it. Select any file by clicking on the left mouse button. Click on Organize button and select the copy option from the drop down menu. Select the location where you want to place the copied file. Then click on the Paste option from the Organize button. The copied files will be placed in the selected folder. So what you are supposed to do? Select the folder, go to Organize, click on Copy, go to the new location, that is E or F or D, any drives, right? There again you click on Organize button and click on Paste button. So the files will be copied and pasted over there. That is called as duplication of files. And if you observe here, this is the path. In computer, then you go to new volume E. So this is the path where you are gone right now and selecting the object, and then you are pasting it to other location. Then moving a file or a folder. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, that is destination. To move a file or folder, follow these steps. Click on any file or folder that you want to move. Click on the organize button. Same steps you have to do. You have to first of all select that file or folder, then click on organize, then click on cut. So the file will get deleted from this original location. Then select the folder where the file or folder is to be moved. You go to the new location, right? In new location, again you click on organize option, and then you click on paste option. So what will happen? From this location the file has been shifted to this. Say for example, this is D drive and this is E drive. So you have deleted or cut the folder in D drive and you have pasted the same file and folder into the E drive. Select the folder where the file or folder is to be moved. Now click on paste option. From the organize drop down list, you will observe that the file or folder has been moved from the source location and shifted to the destination folder. To rename a file or folder, right click on it and select rename option from the shortcut menu. Tap the new name and press the enter key. So we can do one thing. I am renaming this. Say for example this folder, attendance. Right click, rename, and writing down RKC attendance. That's it. Leave it. This is how you can quickly rename it. Deleting a file or a folder. To delete a file or a folder, follow the given steps. Click on the file or folder that you want to delete. That means you have to select it, then click on organize button, then you have to click on delete option. What will happen? The file or folder will go into the recycle bin. Click on the file or folder that you want to delete, click on the organize button and select the delete option from the drop down menu. A message box appears on the screen asking for the confirmation to delete the file. Select yes to confirm. You will find that the selected item, that is file or folder, has been deleted. To select a consecutive group of files, click on the first file, hold down the shift key and click on the last file. So it is like this. How to select quickly? First file, click on control, go to last file. Okay. Click on control and click on selecting the file. This is quickly, it will help you to select all the files at one go. Okay. This is how you can quickly select. See, once again, first, then shift key, go to last file and entire range of files are selected. So that's it about the know the fact. Thank you everyone.